It's time to experience cordless freedom with Ryobi MAX Power, the most advanced, high-power cordless gardening system for all outdoor tasks. When powered by the new high-energy lithium batteries with IntelliCell intelligent electronics and new battery cells, the pack keeps cool and the energy flows easier, delivering optimum performance for all applications. When combined with a high-efficiency brushless motor, you get maximum power for all your gardening needs. That's power, performance, and longer runtime for the largest of tasks, all with the ease of a lightweight battery system for prolonged handheld use, giving you all the power you'll ever need. So whether your 36-volt battery is powering a lawnmower or a line trimmer, the Max Power system is the smart choice for confident cordless gardening. With less vibration, reduced noise, and zero emissions, power has never felt so good. Taking your gardening tasks to the max. Max Power from Ryobi.